So this is Amazon's first attempt at making an Amazon branded TV. I mean, in the past, Amazon has always been making the Fire Sticks, the 4K, the 4K Max most recently. So this TV is basically a Fire Stick with a screen. Now, I'm curious to see if they actually did a pretty good job, or if they're actually comparable to other manufacturers in the market. So come with me and let's find out. Now, this TV, they're actually two different versions of them. There's the Omni series, which is this one, and then there's the Fire TV. So that basically the difference between both of them is the Dolby Vision. The other one doesn't support, the Fire TV doesn't support Dolby Vision, doesn't have the Alexa hands-free control. But this one, it's got all of that stuff, except for Dolby Vision as well. The Dolby Vision is only available on the 65-inch and up. But this one has the Alexa hands-free, except for the Dolby Vision. Come with me and let's unpack this bad boy and see what is in the box. If this is your first time to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button below so you can get notified on our video uploads. In the box, there is the Fire TV Omni Series 43-inch, the Fire TV Alexa voice remote, one power cord, two AAA batteries, an IR emitter cable, 4 screws, 2 stands for the legs, and a quick start guide. Moving on to the left side of the TV, there is the power AC input, which is where you plug the supplied power cord. And on the right side of the TV, we do have 4 HDMI 2.0 port, which includes eARC 2.1, a USB port, an IR emitter port, and an optical audio out. It also includes an Ethernet port that supports speeds up to 100 megabits per second. Underneath the screen, there is the power button, a microphone button to electronically enable or disable Lady A, and an LED indicator to indicate what the TV is doing. It is also equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 and a wireless card that supports 802.11a, B, G, N, and AC, basically 2.4 and 5 band. It is also equipped with 2 8-watt speakers on the left and on the right side of the TV, bringing the total weight of this TV to 7 kg. Now, this TV supports Dolby Digital Plus with a pass-through of Dolby encoded audio. This TV is equipped with a LED display panel of 60 Hz refresh rate and supports displays of HDR10, HLG, HDR10 Plus. I mean, from first impression, this TV I think it's overpriced. For $520, I'd rather go and spend probably about $100 more. I'd rather go get myself a 55-inch Samsung OLED display TV instead, rather than this LCD or LED display that is with 60 Hz refresh rate. Is bad for gaming, that's bad reflection, not the greatest for watching content. However, the selling point of this thing is just that the smart feature of the TV, that hands-free capability, the fact that I can actually just talk to it directly without having to pick up the remote. Alexa, play 13 Reasons Why on Netflix.
Getting 13 Reasons Why from Netflix. Hey, it's Hannah.
It's very handy, especially for a smart home. In my home, that's one feature I really like to see it come to all of my TVs. I don't want to have to use smart assistants to be able to keep doing that, but it's nice to be able to control it directly from the TV. It actually responds well to stop, play, start activities, or play things for content from different streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, Prime, even YouTube as well. It works fantastic with that regard. But this is just my first day of using it, so I would have to update you guys on how it performs after. But first impression, yeah, it feels cheap. Like, it feels really cheap. It's like buying a TCL TV, which I would never see myself buying. Those TVs are just those low-end TCL TVs are just not how I roll. I'd rather spend a little bit more money and get something more quality that would last me more than just a couple of years, something that'll last me, you know, a while. But I'll be curious to see how the 65 or the bigger size TV would perform or would feel in terms of quality. This, yeah, I wouldn't put it in my bedroom or my living room or anything where I do a lot of viewing. Now I wouldn't use it. It's just not, yeah, not up to par. I could probably put it in maybe my office where, yeah, even at my office, it's still, I don't know where in my house I would actually use this TV right now because it's just too low grade and the price point too high. Shouldn't be more than $350 in my opinion. Yeah, anything above that, I don't think it's worth it. But thank you guys for joining me today on this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. All right.